In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer your project in Lovable. So it's very simple. All you need to do is you need to invite other member to your workspace. So as you can see, I have two members. So this is me and this is other member. So how you can do this is click on this invite button. And from here, you need to add email of a new member. So for example, I'm gonna add someone, then click on invite. And as you can see, their status is pending. So once you are on the account which you invited, as you can see, you can click on this inbox button, and there you have it. You need to accept this invitation. Now, when you click on their profile, as you can see, the other member is in my workspace. Now, how you can transfer the project when the other member is in your workspace? It's very simple. Just open the project which you want to transfer. So I'm going to open this one. And then click on your name of your project in top left corner. Then click on settings. From here, scroll a little bit and you will see this transfer button. So click on transfer and then select your workspace. So from this workspace, it will be transferred to this. So moving this project will remove access to members of this and will grant access to this member. So this action will make the project private. So when you read through this, just click confirm transfer. And now project moved successfully, as you can see. And this is how you can transfer the project in Lovable. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.